Alright, hey guys, so today back to another video. This is going to be the first story I'm going to try my hand at editing. So, there's a fan running in the background. So sorry about that noise, but we're going to go over my new PC setup. Well, my gaming setup in general. Just a second. So, using a 43-inch 1080p TV because I got it at a recycling center for $15 because of that little bright spot. It's not as noticeable in person, especially while gaming or just watching content. But got a pair of Insignia speakers, the Razer Huntsman Elite, and Alienware wireless mouse. I got my PS3 up there with a monitor dedicated to it. My keyboard boxes for the Logitech G710 Plus, the Huntsman Elite, and the Black Widow Elite. Got the Lego Up House for just spice up the desk a little bit. My movie collection and my one PS3 game, and my Ace Ventura Hot Wheel. But this is my PC. So it's got a Ryzen 9 3900X, a 3080 Ti, 32 gigs of RAM. I still have to upgrade the CPU cooler. I'm thinking about doing a 280 on the side, and then getting there's a GPU AIO on Amazon, there's 360 mil to go up top. But I got the house up there with all the minifigs. Because the 3080 Ti runs a bit hot, even stock. So 3900X, 32 gigs of 3600 megahertz RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, 5 terabyte hard drive. It's got an X570 board, and there's the 3080 Ti. So we're going to go ahead and launch Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Nah. We'll run Firestrike Extreme. Firestrike Ultra, whichever one I have installed. Might have all of them installed, but we'll go over pricing when that launches. So if you guys want to see gameplay, I can record gameplay and benchmarks of this card. Everything's running stock, because like I said, it gets pretty toasty even stock. But these speakers I got for I think $10 at Goodwill, so they aren't expensive. They're not bad. They're not great either. You know, good budget speakers. But while this is launching, I want to start going over pricing. So the board, everything in this PC except the case and the white cable extensions up there, and behind the GPU. And not including the GPU because it came with a different one. It was $225 on OfferUp. Go ahead and launch Strike Ultra, but that was $225, including the pretty much what I transferred over was the board, CPU, RAM, power supply, storage, and the cooler. The 3080 Ti, so that came with a 5700 XT for $225, and a case. I traded the case and 5700 XT plus 180 cash for the 3080 Ti. The case and cable extensions I got from Micro Center. The case was $200 and the cable extensions were $25. So all in all, I have around $700-800 into this whole setup. I got this off Marketplace, the Huntsman Elite, off Marketplace for $45, including the mouse. They threw in the mouse, which is kind of nice. But its power supply is not very great. It's all right. It's an older unit. It's a Roswell 1000 watt, 80 plus gold. So it's one of their better units. Yeah. So this is the Up House. Obviously includes the house, minifig of Doug, Carl and Russell. And it comes with this, which has a balloon being inflated, a squirrel, box, mailbox. The house comes with the book they had, their memory book. And in the window there's a red bird and their savings jar. Inside you got quite a bit for how small it is. Got a TV up here, Living room, we got a gramophone, a lamp, a chair, one of their chairs. Upstairs, you got a bed. Just over here, you just have some decoration. But this set is $48 at Walmart. Supposedly retails for $60, but constantly finding it for about $48.50. The PS3 I got off Marketplace for $25. Came with a controller and a copy of Up. I have a couple more games like Minecraft and a couple sports games I got with it, but I'm throwing those up on eBay just to recoup some of the cost. And then my movie collection, it's just some of them. I have more in my storage unit, but I don't want to get those out yet. I got Lion King, Ready Player One, Megamind, Monty Python, The Holy Grail, Futurama, Bender's Big Score, a bunch of just miscellaneous kids movies. Then I got Indiana Jones, Dumb and Dumber, Batman Forever, Monty Python, The Holy Grail, another Monty Python film, 4 SpongeBob tapes, Star Wars Collector's Edition, Phantom Menace tape, and Shrek tape. I do have the VHS player somewhere down here, but the basement's kind of a mess right now. It's trying to reorganize to get a bigger desk in here. Yeah, this might take a while, so I'm going to end this video portion and clip in the next part. Right, so it's running the combined test right now, which is the final one. And we'll take a check at the temperatures. Yeah, the GPU sits around 320 to 350 watts. CPU is a bit power hungry, but it's also a 3900X. And it just finished. It's going to load results. So I got 12,155. Go ahead and go down here. And 88% better than all of the results. So hair over a 4070. A decent chunk over a 4070, but not too far off. So yeah, if you guys want to, like I said, if you guys want to see gameplay of a specific game, let me know. And I'll go from there. So if you guys enjoyed the video, I know it's kind of boring. I got to spice up the content a bit, but thank you guys for watching.